An arrow can only be shot by pulling it backward. So, when life is dragging you back with difficulties, my dear friends, it means that it's going to launch you into something great. So, just focus and keep aiming. If they respect you, respect them. If they disrespect you, still respect them. Do not allow the actions of others to decrease your good manners because you represent yourself, not others. Muhammad Ali says, don't count the days, make the days count. Live life to the fullest with love for all. It is the nature of the wise to resist pleasures, but the foolish to be a slave to them. So set yourself free as we are all born free, free of desires. In fact, the happiness of our life depends upon the quality of our thoughts. Yes, the happiness of our life depends upon the quality of our thoughts. So let's set the thoughts right and positive and constructive. We all know this. No amount of regret changes the past. No amount of anxiety changes the future. But any amount of gratitude definitely changes the present. So let's be grateful for all the divine blessings we have in our life. Let's live life in the present moment as Sufis do. It is very strange, but yet very true. Yes, the problem with the world is that the intelligent people are full of doubts, while the stupid ones are full of confidence. How pity, isn't it? However, dirty waters don't stop plants from growing. So don't let negative words stop your progress. What say? Almost everything will work again. Yes, almost everything will work again if you unplug it for a few minutes, that is, including you too. Yes, my dear friends, and how to unplug it? By stopping thinking for a few minutes every day. Yes, by practicing meditation, by practicing spiritual meditation, which we get from our spiritual masters, and see how the life turns 360-degree. Try it out and see the magic of spiritual meditation. Unplug yourself to free yourself from the thoughts. Become nothing to become everything. My dear friends, we all know this time and again, but then let me repeat you with another dimension here. Ships don't sink because of the water around them. Yes, ships don't sink because of the water around them. Ships sink because of the water that gets in them. So don't let what's happening around you get inside you and weigh you down. Yes, on that note, love all unconditionally. Judge less. The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires. Yes, the greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, because we come empty hand and we go empty hand, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. So we are here to love each other, understand each other, serve each other, help each other, because we are not many, we are one. In this video, I just spoke about spiritual meditation sometime back, and that's what it again emphasizes. And why should we do that? Yes? So here it is. When you control your thoughts, you control your mind. When you control your mind, you control your life. And once you reach the stage of being in total control of your life, you become the master of your destiny. Man is the only creature who refuses to be what he is. Yes, how apt it is, how true it is. Man is the only creature who refuses to be what he is. Now look at all other living things, living beings. They are performing their duties, they're performing their functions, and we were created to be loved, to love each other. And that's what we refuse to do. To care for those who once cared for us is one of the highest honors in life. It is just not a business who cared for us and we care. It should be caring and loving and kindness for all, irrespective of whether they did it or not. An unconditional love, like how a mother does to a child. And we should serve and help each other. And that's the reason we are here. So much of our happiness actually depends on how we choose to look at the world. Yes, it is all in our thoughts, it's all in our perception, it's all how we deal with the world. So, what we have, we give that to the world. So, let's be happy, let's be kind, let's be loving. Only what we have, we share, isn't it? When we don't have, then how can we share? So, let's reflect within to become better with each day. My dear friends, I'm sure we are all strong people because weak people take revenge, whereas strong people like us forgive. And intelligent people ignore. Don't compare your life to others. There's no comparison between the sun and the moon. They shine when it is their time. So, work on yourself. Compete with yourself. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. And our best can only happen with our spiritual guru. Find one. Seek the truth and you shall find it. Love and serve unconditionally. Don't waste your time with explanations. People only hear what they want to hear. So just do what your heart says. Correct a fool and he'll hate you. But correct a wise man and he will appreciate you. So with this, we'll know what we are. So when someone corrects you, reflect back and see whether you appreciate the other or hate them. Let go of what's gone. Be grateful for what remains and look forward to what is coming. And that's how our attitude towards life should be. There are two types of pain in this world: pain that hurts you and pain that changes you. So check out which pain did you experience. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. Yes, like Rumi Rahmatullah Alai, who found a spiritual master, Shams Tabrizi Rahmatullah Alai. So why don't we all find one to find the truth, to get to the truth of life, to the mystery of life. I used to tolerate a lot because I didn't want to lose people. Now I establish boundaries because I don't want to lose myself. Yes, I don't want to lose myself because I and my creator and I, we both share a love story.